Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of what you're doing with your triangles, just in case you can't read it and understand. So on your desk, you should have a ruler already, and you should have a pair of scissors. Then you should have a sack for you and your partner. So if I dump my sack out, you should have 7 straws, 2 pieces of string, and 1 pipe cleaner at an angle of 30. So you should have 7 straws, 2 pieces of string, and a pipe cleaner with an angle of 30, and so should your partner. Okay, so in activity 1, it tells me that each person should cut straws of the following lengths, and it gives me 2, 4, and 5. So I'm going to take my straw, and with my ruler, I'm going to measure out 2 inches, and then I'm going to cut at the 2 inches. So now I have a piece that is 2 inches. I also need a piece that is 4 inches and 5 inches. So I'm going to use that same straw and cut it to be 5 inches. So I have a 2, a 5, and now I need 4 inches. Okay, so I have a 2, a 4, and a 5. Next it tells me that I'm going to thread the string through them. So I'm going to take my piece of string and I'm going to put it through the straw, and I'm going to go through each piece. So I got the 2 on there. Then I'm going to go through the one that is 4 inches long. And then the one that is 5 inches. Okay, once I get those together, I'm going to take it and I'm actually going to tie the string together so that it forms a triangle. So see, I tied my string together, now I have a triangle. Then you're going to follow steps 3 and discuss if I change around my triangle, is it different from my partner's? Now, in 4, you're going to repeat this process using your own lengths. I'm not going to show you this because now you know you measure, you cut, you string it together. Now, for activity 2, it tells you to reuse some of the ones from activity 1. So you're actually going to have to take your string and cut it so that you can get the pieces. It tells me to use the 4-inch and the 5-inch again. And it wants me to take the pipe cleaner, and it wants me to stick one of them on one edge, and it wants me to stick the other one on the other edge. And then it says I'm going to measure with my ruler to figure out how long the 3rd piece needs to be. So if I measure with my ruler at a 30-degree angle, it actually needs to be 2 inches long. So I can reuse that piece right there. Step 4 says place it on your desk, and you and your partner's going to compare. So there is the quick rundown of what you're doing. We're going to do the wrap it all up and the explore when I come back. But I just wanted to make